I'm Rasmus and I'm here in Slick Hair Studio with Mette and Jacob. Today we're doing a hairstyle with inspiration from Will Poulter. Are you guys up for it?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go.
Okay, so we'll keep it classic and then we'll just part it a bit more to the side today.
This was the Will Poulter hairstyle. Jacob, do you like it?
I love it.
Mette, you did an amazing work.
Thank you.
And guys, remember to write in the comment section down below what you think about the episode. Also like the video and subscribe if you haven't yet. See you guys next time.
Hi, welcome to Slick Hair TV. Thank you for watching this episode of Slick Hair TV.